bloody waters.
Now, Burmese curly is my favorite type of curl. Wigcool sent me a wig, 13 by 4 Burmese curly hair. It's 18 inches. I'm so excited to try this wig on, y'all. Wig band, I love when I get a wig band. So it comes with hair care tips. I know a lot of brands don't give out hair care tips, so that's actually really important. Some tips on blending the wig, adding powder, make it look more natural. Love when the packaging comes with a wig cap and also a wig band. Let's get into the details of this wig. 13 by 4. It also is 18 inches long. It also has these spiral curls at the end, nice and coiled, so you don't have to worry about defining the curls at the end, because I usually do this anyway when I'm working with a curly wig. One here and one here. There is an adjustable strap that you can adjust just in case you want to make this wig a little bit more secure. And throw her on and see what it gives. Looking for one of those wigs that you're trying to get the hairline to be as thick as possible so that you can kind of manipulate it how you want. This wig is definitely perfect for that. I might go in and do slightly some plucking just to enhance the wig more to like what my hairline is like. So we're gonna go in and do that a little bit, and then we're gonna come back. We should add powder to the lace just so it can match our skin. I'm gonna be going in with Kisses Cream. Let me see what color I am. Ruby Kiss RDF09. We're keeping this wig glueless, so I'm just going to be using 2 items to lay the wig down today. Like I said, Got to Be gel is always my favorite, and I'm also going to be using Got to Be freeze spray as well. Before we get started on the wig, I have to use Got to Be to smooth my natural hair backwards, dry that in so that I can get started with the installation. Okay, now we're gonna get ready to lay the wig down. I'm gonna be using 2 products today since I'm not really like using glue. I'm just gonna be using the freeze spray by Got to Be and also the gel by Got to Be. Smooth that in across the hairline. And we're gonna let it dry like slightly. And we're gonna let that dry a little bit too. I think right here is perfect. Yeah. Okay, so after about a few minutes, it was time to take the band off and start cutting the lace. So I'm seeing what we have, where the wig is at. Now, I think I positioned it a little bit too far back. I did end up pulling it a little bit more forward and just reapplying the Got to Be gel and the Got to Be spray just to set it back in, but you guys will see that. I'm cutting to make sure that I'm getting it close to the hairline. I ended up pulling the wig forward, and then I started on my edges. After I did my edges, I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to do the edges and the sideburns, and then I'm gonna lay the wig one more time just to get a perfect melt and get the wig exactly how I need it to be.
Sideburns, you can use mousse or you can also use gel. I use gel. I'm setting those in just for another 10 to 20 minutes while I do my hair. Look how big this hair can get, y'all. When I say this hair is super full, it's super full and the curls are absolutely gorgeous. I love how the hair feels. I know sometimes people say 100% human hair, but this is definitely 100% human hair. The way that my fingers glided through this wig, I absolutely loved it.
Okay, I will say that the hair is very soft. Like the way I'm just gliding my comb into this hair, it's like perfect. It's definitely 100% human hair. I know sometimes when you purchase wigs, sometimes you're combing it and it feels a little like there's like a mix of hair in it. This feels 100% like human hair, and the way I'm just gliding my hand through it, obviously you're gonna get like slightly tangles and slightly some shedding just because it is a curly wig, but other than that, like this wig is super soft. Bit of mousse to the ends and a little bit up top just to flatten that out. Oh, so perfectly. Like if you want to define the curls, just take a piece, twirl your finger around, and the spirals on the ends are just there.
Now with the mousse and some water, you guys can get definition at the ends of this wig. Some wigs you have to have like cut, like trimming them, you have to have like a lot of mousse, a lot of definition by adding a lot of gel. But this wig already comes with spiral curls at the end. So the hair is thick throughout from root to tip, and I love that. As you guys can see, this is how it looks wet versus dry. I'm gonna go ahead and take my band off now that I've finished doing my hair. But look at the melt. I absolutely love it. You guys have to purchase this wig. I'll leave the link down below, of course. Now, let's get into some hairstyles because I was like, what else can we do with this wig? A little half up, half down, maybe some bangs, maybe two space buns, something different because there's a lot of space to work with on this wig since it is a 13 by 4.
Call me sensitive. I just think they insecure. I show my feelings so they feel me. They ain't feeling yours. Lord, and I'm sure that hurts. I can never sell my soul and yours a clearance purse. See, I'm on some protective shit. I'm on some never call my phone. You barely can text me shit.
I personally love doing claw clips. Any chance I get to put a claw clip in my hair, I'm going to do that. Look how cute this half up, half down is, along with the curls, just looking bouncy and juicy. I absolutely love this hair, y'all. The quality of this hair is beyond any other wig I think I've tried. And of course, I had to try my headband on with it.
Especially if your kitchen's not clean. All these opinions either sweet or salty. So paying attention to everything get costly.
It's like super full.
Have to let me know if you try this wig out. Make sure you comment down below what you think. And thank you so much for Wigcool for sponsoring this video. See y'all in my next one. Bye.